Alright, today I'm playing a game it's got three, is it like, hey, what was it? It was like, Effie or something? I don't know. Yeah, Effie, I think. Right. Oh, I see, so you gotta be quick with your movements and stuff. Okay. Please tell me that this isn't a roguelike. Okay, so I can click F to pause the game. I was trying to buy a little more time to read that. No. How far back do I go? Okay, good. There are checkpoints. That's good. Did I just eat another creature? Num num. Why are they, like, not showing fear when I'm rushing towards them at high speeds? With my mouth open. Did I? I did do that. Let's pretend it didn't happen. I just kind of notice now the, like, rough edges to everything. It's kind of like it's a unique fuzzy art style. It's kinda cool. I don't know. I'm digging it, I suppose. Okay, that could have gone a lot worse. I am pretty sure that this game will eventually have people making words and stuff in the levels without dying, you know? Like funny words, the ones that it's inappropriate to say to people you don't know, those kind of words. The real fun ones. Oh no, I hit a wall. This one seems to be harder than the last narrow bit. Or for me at least. There we go. Iffy! Okay, cool, so I've unlocked other paths. That's a speedy-do! Ow! So do I kind of work my way through whatever this is, like a complex or whatever? In an attempt to eat all of these, what are they, penguins or something? Am I literally just like a cannibal snake bird? That's kinda cool, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty nifty. If you were a penguin, this could be branded as a horror game. Actually, are there many horror games where you play as the monster? That would be cool. I know of a few PvP ones, but you know. No, I must die as I missed him. Down we go. Through here. Ah. I turned the wrong way. That's entirely on me. Let's go down, and then not like that. Trajectory and stuff. I'm controlling this snake thing like it's a really bad paper plane. Like I'm just looping straight down into walls and stuff. There we go, that was somewhat clean. That wasn't. The speed things are throwing me off quite a lot. I adjust to the speed way too quickly. Or to the speed boosts way too quickly. Which is then causing me to cark it. Or do that. It's hard to not panic turn. The constant mobility is probably the most... I don't know how to phrase it. It's probably the... I mean, not really unique, but it's something like it. It's an interesting feature. There we go. Yeah, I walked right into that one. Why did I go that way? Okay, I guess I'm going this way now. No. I'm hungry for birdie. I'll consume the birdie. No. Drats. This isn't helpful. It moves too quickly through the middle. There we go. I didn't want to really go that way, if I'm being honest, kind of. What? There we go. Huzzah. Have I been? No, I haven't been to this bit. So all of the, like, areas are connected. It's just, I'm not really looking at the maps properly, so my navigation is way off. What? Not to mention I click the wrong arrow keys sometimes and just run into walls. That's entirely on me though. It's not the game's fault. This game's pretty good. I'll give it that. It's entertaining. Despite me being a bowl on a stick, essentially. It's good though. I do like the kind of chaotic walls and textury kind of edges. It's nifty. I mean, I've been to this one before, haven't I? Yeah, I have. I've gone in a circle. Okay, did that a lot better this time. So I'm there. Didn't mean to do that. Let's go. Woo! Look at those patterns. Okay, down we go. It's this room. I know this room. It sucks. It's too painful. Ah, I got bonk. It be hunting season. Okay, I didn't go this way. That's a lot of birds. Oh, 2. That's more than there usually is. That's a lot of birds. I'm committing to the "that's a lot of birds" statement. No! I was so close, yet so far. I don't really know what happens if I do collect all of the birds. Is that the objective? Or is the objective just getting through all the rooms? I don't really know what's happening. The more I think about it, the more painful it feels. You know. It's that last block that's getting me. The speed is overwhelming. That happened. Didn't mean to go down there, I meant to go up a bit. There we go, that was a smooth bend. That wasn't. Let's try a little bit of a wiggly business. Okay, wiggly business doesn't end well. God, I just want to get out of here. There we go. I've done it. Okay, what is this? Ow! That hurt. I'm glad that my torso doesn't get stuck in things. Okay, this one isn't gonna be the easiest. I am very, I'm kind of, let's see, what's the word? Grateful, I guess? I'm grateful for the body being the only hitbox. If my, long neck thing also got caught by the boxes and killed me, that would suck a lot more. Okay, what is this? The boxes are moving as if they are pistons. in an engine of some kind. I see, so I pretty much have to go up. Thanks. Thanks for letting me know before I got here. It's great. Genuinely, thanks. Yep, that's something. This narrow bit hurts me. There we go. Just gotta outrun bits and damn it. That was the open area, that was my chance. There we go, wiggle our way out. And up we go. Have we been here? Probably. I know this room. I can go up here. I didn't go up here last time. Then I've been here as well. It'd be good if the map kind of checked off the places I haven't been. Well, like I have been. Okay, we're back at this room. That's where I came from. I don't know how... I've got 18 out of 20 bird things, so I need to look for paths that I have gone down, but I took a different turn. This kind of just loops back. Okay, we can go through this area. The bonk. I never really noticed that bonk before. It's kind of amusing, I will admit. Funny bonk. Okay, I need to look for 2 more birds before I can assume that that is the end point of this game. Then I guess I'll go back to the center, since that appears to be where everything's getting recorded. Like all the information I require. Speedy. There we go. Did I go up to the left? I haven't. Ow! My head. That hurt my noggin. Okay, there is a bird in here. Oh, what have I done? How am I gonna get out of here now? Gotta keep close to the walls. The difficulty comes from me doing stuff. That's a foolish error on my end, and I'm gonna pretend I didn't make such an error because that was silly. The speed was overwhelming for the young bird. That's quite a tight bend that I've caused myself to replicate. That's the issue with this. This one's only difficult because I need to leave enough room for me to get back. Okay, this is possibly my only chance. Okay, good, we got it. Now we just need 1 more bird. Let's go back to the map room and see. Okay, if I go to the right, there seem to be some lone rooms. I've gone through all of those rooms though. Let's go this way again. Ow, my head. It got hurted. Ah. Okay, through this area. I must hunt down 1 more little guy. That's what they're called. Bonk. That's what they're called now, I've decided. Overall, this game's fun. I mean, I don't know. It's a good game. I'm having somewhat of a blast, I suppose. This doesn't feel right. Yeah, like, it's okay. I'm like... The bonk got me. Damn. Although it's perfect humor-wise, the bonk hurt a lot. I panic ran into a wall. That isn't ideal. Okay. I've gone through that area. I've gone through that area. Let's bonk. Oh, there's not enough room for me to go back. Bonk. Trying to leave enough room for me to turn around up here without dying. Oh no. That's just not enough. And I hit a wall. Then I hit another wall. That's kind of all I do in this. No. It's the best turn I've had so far, or like the best line I've made so far. Oh, never mind, it was just beaten. Damn, I was really testing it there. Okay, turning around here seems a bit painful. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Let's go elsewhere, I suppose. What's this way? Oh no, not this room. I regret my decisions greatly. Wait, no, was down the bad one? No, down was the bad one somewhere else. In a different green room. Where does this go? I found him. The last one. Oh, Bonko, how could you? Hang on, this is bad. The block is being mean. I can get him, but how am I gonna get back? Oh no. Ugh. I need to make enough room to turn around and wiggle my way out. There we go. We did it. We found all the birds. After failing, yeah, we don't count those 147 times. They don't count. Okay, well, that was what, iffy? Is that how you'd say it? Let's pop. Okay, let's get that off the screen. Anyway, that was iffy, I think. If you liked it, like it. If you have suggestions for other games I should play, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see more games like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a Skedaddle. See ya.